Black-eyed peas are an integral part of culinary traditions around the world, known for their distinct appearance and versatility. Native to Africa, these legumes have traveled across continents, embedding themselves in various cuisines, particularly in the southern United States, where they are a staple in comfort food dishes. The round, cream-colored peas have a characteristic black spot, giving them their name. Their earthy, slightly sweet flavor and soft texture make them an ideal ingredient in soups, stews, salads, and even fritters. The nutritional benefits of black-eyed peas are substantial, offering a rich source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, and potassium. Often touted for their role in heart health, they are also an excellent option for vegetarians seeking to increase their protein intake. The cultivation of black-eyed peas requires specific conditions to thrive. They are typically grown in warm climates, with their optimal growth conditions including well-drained, sandy soil and plenty of sunlight. Their drought-resistant nature makes them a valuable crop in regions with irregular rainfall patterns. Black-eyed peas are part of the legume family, meaning they fix nitrogen in the soil, which benefits the surrounding crops by enriching the soil with this essential nutrient. The growing season for black-eyed peas is usually around 75 to 90 days, making them a relatively fast-growing plant that can yield multiple harvests in a year. Harvesting is typically done when the pods are fully mature and dry, and the peas inside have hardened. In the kitchen, black-eyed peas can be prepared in a variety of ways, adapting to both traditional and modern cooking techniques. One of the most famous dishes is Hop and John, a southern US recipe made with black-eyed peas, rice, and pork, often served on New Year's Day as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Another popular dish is the West African stew, where the peas are simmered with spices, tomatoes, and vegetables to create a hearty and flavorful meal. In India, black-eyed peas are used in a variety of curry dishes, often cooked with cumin, garlic, and turmeric, giving them a unique, fragrant taste. Whether in a salad, soup, or curry, the versatility of black-eyed peas makes them a go-to ingredient for countless dishes across different cultures. Aside from their culinary uses, black-eyed peas are known for their health benefits. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them an important food for vegetarians and vegans. The high fiber content in black-eyed peas aids in digestion, helping to maintain a healthy gut. Fiber also contributes to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and regulating blood sugar. The abundance of folate in black-eyed peas is crucial for pregnant women, as it supports fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects. Iron, another important nutrient found in these peas, is vital for preventing anemia and supporting the body's production of red blood cells. The antioxidants present in black-eyed peas also play a role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. In addition to their numerous health benefits, black-eyed peas have cultural significance in many parts of the world. In African American culture, black-eyed peas are often associated with good fortune and prosperity, particularly in the southern United States, where they are consumed on New Year's Day for luck. This tradition is rooted in history, as black-eyed peas were once considered a humble food, symbolizing survival and resilience during difficult times. In West Africa, the peas are used in festivals and communal meals, symbolizing unity and strength. The symbolism of black-eyed peas as a symbol of hope, resilience, and prosperity adds depth to their role in various cuisines, making them not just a food but also a cultural symbol of sustenance and continuity. As interest in plant-based diets grows and sustainability becomes a more pressing issue, black-eyed peas are gaining renewed attention for their environmental benefits. Their ability to fix nitrogen in the soil reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, which can be harmful to the environment. Additionally, their low environmental impact compared to animal-based protein sources makes them an appealing choice for eco-conscious eaters. With their rich nutritional profile, versatile use in cooking, and positive environmental impact, black-eyed peas stand as a perfect example of how food can be both delicious and sustainable, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Black-eyed peas are not only a staple food in many parts of the world but also an agricultural gem with a long history of cultivation and use. Often grown in warm, subtropical regions, black-eyed peas thrive in environments where other crops might struggle, such as areas with limited rainfall. Their drought-resistant properties make them an ideal choice for farmers in arid climates. They can be cultivated in a variety of soil types, though they particularly favor well-drained, sandy loams. The plant's growth cycle is relatively short, usually maturing in about 75 to 90 days, which allows for quick harvesting and replanting in multiple seasons. The plant itself is bushy, with long vines that sprawl across the ground, producing pods that house the characteristic small, round peas. The peas are harvested when the pods dry and split open, signaling that the seeds inside have matured. The health benefits of black-eyed peas extend beyond just being a rich source of protein. These legumes are packed with fiber, which is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness, making them a valuable part of weight management. They are low in fat, which makes them heart-healthy, and their high potassium content helps in managing blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. The high antioxidant content in black-eyed peas plays a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Additionally, the abundance of B vitamins such as folate and thiamine supports brain function and energy metabolism, making black-eyed peas an ideal food for overall health maintenance. One of the unique aspects of black-eyed peas is their versatility in various types of cuisine. In the American South, they are often cooked with ham hocks or bacon in a dish called Hop and John, which is traditionally served on New Year's Day to bring good luck. This dish has become symbolic of Southern hospitality and comfort food. Across the Atlantic, in West Africa, black-eyed peas are used in a range of dishes such as stews and soups, where they are often paired with tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices like ginger, garlic, and chili peppers. The flavors are robust, with the peas providing a hearty base for richer, spicier sauces. In the Mediterranean, black-eyed peas are tossed in salads or made into fritters, where their mild flavor complements tangy dressings and fresh herbs. The environmental impact of growing black-eyed peas is another reason why these legumes are gaining popularity. As a legume, black-eyed peas have the ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and contributing to more sustainable farming practices. Their ability to thrive in low water conditions also means they require less irrigation than many other crops, making them an ideal crop for regions where water scarcity is a concern. By incorporating black-eyed peas into crop rotations, farmers can improve soil health and reduce the risk of soil depletion, making them an essential part of sustainable farming systems. The fact that black-eyed peas can grow in regions with poor soil quality and minimal water usage makes them a practical crop choice for countries facing climate change and other environmental challenges. Culturally, black-eyed peas have held significant meaning in various societies for centuries. In the southern United States, the tradition of eating black-eyed peas on New Year's Day is said to bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. This tradition has roots in the post-Civil War era when peas were considered a symbol of survival and resilience. In West Africa, black-eyed peas are often part of ceremonial meals and are seen as a symbol of unity and community. Whether in a feast or as part of a daily meal, these peas play an important role in bringing people together, embodying themes of sustenance, prosperity, and hope. The cultural significance of black-eyed peas is not just about food, but about their role in social and community rituals that reinforce values of resilience and hope for a better future. As the world looks toward more sustainable and health-conscious food choices, black-eyed peas are gaining recognition as a superfood with both ecological and nutritional benefits. Their high protein content, coupled with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, make them an essential food for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to improve their overall diet. Their environmental benefits make them an attractive crop for farmers seeking to reduce their carbon footprint and reliance on synthetic inputs. As the demand for plant-based proteins continues to rise, black-eyed peas are poised to play an even more significant role in the future of food systems, providing a nutritious, sustainable, and affordable source of nourishment for people across the globe.